First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the iPhone Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare iPhone Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer photos and videos from iPhone to USB, link your USB drive to your computer, then run the software. Connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable. Tap Trust on your iPhone, then click Continue to go on. Data on your iPhone will be scanned out and displayed on the interface. To transfer videos, click Videos, Movies. Choose the videos you want, click Export. Choose the linked USB drive, then click OK. The chosen videos will be saved to your USB drive. To transfer photos, click Photos, Photos, View, and choose the photos you want to transfer. Click Export. Select the linked USB drive, then click OK. The chosen photos will be saved to your USB drive. Once finished, you can open the linked USB drive to check your saved photos and videos.